Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being here with me today. By the way, I'm Julian Arcapuya, a BEd student, and I want to share something very close to my heart. This is about my reflection on what it means to be a Filipino and how this identity will shape me as a future educator. So, let's start. So, being Filipino is not just about the place where I was born or the language I speak. It is about the values I carry, the traditions I honor, and the stories that continue to guide me. So, my Filipino identity is my compass. It directs how I live, how I serve, and how I will teach. So, as the Filipinos, we grow up surrounded by values that shape ourselves, our identity, and our character. So, one of those is pakikipagkapwa. So, pakikipagkapwa means the idea of seeing others not as a stranger, but as fellow human beings with with deserving of dignity and respect. So these values reminds me that every student or every people that I met has a story, has a struggle, and has a dream. Another one is bayanihan. So what's bayanihan? So bayanihan is the spirit of helping one another. So we see this when neighbors carry each other's burden or carry each other's back, when communities rebuild after disasters, like what's happening right now this year in the Philippines, like there's a typhoon, there's an earthquake, so and so much more. So when families support each other in times of need. So as a future educator, Bayanihan will remind me that education is not just a solo journey. It is a shared effort between students, families, teachers, friends, and communities. The next one or the last one is the paggalang. So what's paggalang? So paggalang is means respect. So we show as a Filipino, we show respect through words like po, opo, or through gestures like manu po, and through listening to elders. So respect is not just about politeness. It is a recognition of the wisdom and worth of others. So in my classroom or future classroom, respect will be the foundation of how we treat one another. And being Filipino means carrying resilience in our heart. So we smile even in hardship. We celebrate even in simplicity. And we find strength in family and community. So to reflect this, I want to share a salawikain. Ang salawikain ko ay ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggagalingan ay hindi makakarating sa panroroonan. So, this proverb means, he who does not look back where he came from will never reach his destination. So, for me, this salawikain is a reminder that my future as a teacher is rooted in my past as a Filipino. I cannot move forward without remembering the sacrifices of my family, my friends, and the lessons of my culture and the wisdom of those who came before me. So, my identity is not just a burden. It is the source of my strength. It tells me that I belong to a people who are resilient, compassionate, and proud. So, as a future educator, my Filipino identity will guide me in many ways. One, it will teach me how to show compassion. So, because every child deserves kindness and understanding. Number two, it will encourage me to build collaboration because learning is stronger when done together. And lastly, number three, so it will inspire me to instill pride in culture so that the students see themselves not just as individuals but as a part of their story. And I want my classroom to be more than a place of lessons. It will be a community where values are lived, not just taught. So, where students learn not only math, science, English, and other subjects, but also with values like kindness, respect, and responsibility. So my Filipino identity will remind me that teaching is not just about knowledge. It is about forming a character. So here is my challenge to the future educators and to everyone listening. Carry your Filipino identity with pride. Let your values guide your choices. Remember your roots, but don't be afraid to dream beyond them. Because being Filipino is not just who we are today. It is about who we choose to become who become tomorrow. And together we can build a future that is full of compassionate, resilience, and proud of its heritage. Maraming salamat and mabuhay!